Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bubble solution at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and a secret ingredient for stronger bubbles. Begin by pouring the warm water into a container. Next, carefully add the 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Stir these 2 ingredients together very slowly, ensuring you don't create too many suds. This initial step is crucial for a good base. Now let's make those bubbles last longer. To your basic solution, add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup works just as well. These special ingredients are key to creating stronger, more resilient bubble walls that won't pop as easily. Stir the mixture very gently again, ensuring everything is well combined without generating excessive foam. This step significantly improves your bubble quality. For truly spectacular bubbles, proper mixing and resting are essential. Always mix your ingredients slowly to avoid creating too much foam, as excessive suds can actually weaken your bubbles. After mixing, let your solution rest for at least 4 hours. Ideally, allow it to sit overnight. This resting period permits the ingredients to fully combine, resulting in much stronger and more vibrant bubbles. Store your finished solution in an airtight container for future fun. Now that your perfect bubble solution is ready, it's time for some fun. You can use traditional wands or get creative with household items like cookie cutters or even a slotted spoon. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brands of dish soap. Some produce better bubbles than others. For the best experience, try blowing bubbles outdoors on a calm day. Get ready to create amazing, long-lasting bubbles that will bring joy to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.